Hey guys, it's Annaliese, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make snow. Yes, snow guys. It's really easy and fun to make, and it just takes 2 simple steps. Can't wait to show you. Let's get started. First thing I'll be needing is an empty plastic cup here. And the second thing I'll need is another plastic cup with hot water in it. I'll also need some baking soda, and last but not least, a mixing tool. First thing I'm going to do is take my empty plastic cup and get my baking soda. I'm going to pour my baking soda into my empty plastic cup, and the more baking soda I add, the more snow I will have. Now that I have that in there, I'm going to take my hot water and pour it into the cup that has the baking soda in it. Now guys, I only need the slightest amount of water here, but I added way too much when I did this. So you only need like 3 drops in there, and then you'll be good, and just stir it up. I had to speed this part up because it got pretty boring, so. I think I need a little bit more baking soda. You probably won't if you add a little bit of water, but like I told you, I added way too much water, which was a big, really big mistake. So yeah, just add the tiniest little bit of water. Again, I'm telling you, add the tiniest bit. Like, I swear to you, the tiniest bit. I know I've said that a lot, but you only need like the tiniest little drop. Well, not like little drop, but a couple of drops. But yeah. Now guys, I'm gonna take this out of my cup, and look what we got here. We got snow! Snow! Guys, I love snow, and you can make this recipe even in the summertime, and it won't melt, which is really cool. Now guys, this snow is really packable. I think I might make a snowman later. I only made a little amount because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not, because I literally made it up right before I filmed this video, and it worked that time, so I wasn't sure if it was gonna work the next time or not. But it did work, as you can see. Now that I'm done playing with my snow, I'm going to store it in an airtight container. Now that I have it in there, I can play with it another time. Now guys, I decided to add some metallic paint to it to make it color snow. So I'm gonna try that out here. So guys, I'm just kind of stirring it together until I think it's the right consistency and color. Wash your hands after playing with snow. Make sure to use soap. Time to dry them. And that's how we wash our hands. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you can be a part of my Ohana. Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind. Bye everyone!